Hi, everybody. So today's math was a little rough, and you're not alone. So what I thought I would do is make you a little video to show you the way that we're encouraging the kids to think so that they can get through the tougher math problems a little more easily. I know that this is not the way that you and I learned math, but I think that we can do it. So they were looking at a problem that was like this, 46 plus 32. And instead of just putting the 32 under the 46 and adding the ones and adding the tens, we're teaching them strategies to be able to actually do this in steps. So what they want them to do is break up this 32 into more manageable numbers. And so we're looking at the benchmark of 30 because 32 is close to 30. So their first step is to do 46. And they draw the arrow to show that they're on their way, and they're only going to add 30 of it. And they can do this. We've done a lot of mental math like this. 46 plus 30 or 46 plus 3 tens is 76. And then they still have to add 2 more. And they can do 76 plus 2 quite easily for a total of 78. So for 63 plus 19, we can teach them to do this without regrouping. So 19, the closest benchmark to 19 is 20. So we're going to have them do 63, and they're going to add 20 this time. And they'll get a hold, and they know what that means. That means that they need to hold that number in their head, 83. And once they're at their 83, they know, well, I added 20, and that was one too many. It was one too many, so they're going to subtract 1 from their hold for a total of 82. $48 plus 25. 25 is right in the middle, so I let them pick whether they want to go up to 30 or down to 20. I like to go down because I like to keep adding. So they would start with 48. And their first benchmark will be 20. So they're going to add 20. And that will give them a hold of 68. And then they need to add 5 more, and they can count on. Or you can say to them, you know that 8 plus 5 is 13. So 68 plus 5 is 73. For 16 plus 58, the closest benchmark to 58 is 60. They would do 16 plus 60. Whoops, sorry. We need the arrow. 16. We're going ahead 60 for a hold of 76. And once they're at their hold, they can look and say, well, I took too many, so I need to take 2 of those off for a final answer of 74. So then for subtraction, they can do the same thing. So for 89 minus 51, they can make a friendly number or a benchmark of 50. So 89, and their operation is minus 50 for a hold of 39. And then they can say, well, I still need to take 1 more away. So my final answer is 38. $76 minus 29. Now, this is a problem that I probably couldn't have taught until the very end of 2nd grade because we were regrouping when subtracting. But here they can say, okay, this is close to 30, and I can do 76, and I can subtract 30. Which will give me a hold of 46. And then they can look at that hold and say, well, I took away 1 more than I should have. I need to give it back and add 1 for a final answer of 47. And they can do all of that without regrouping or without having to regroup. So that's what we did in math today. Hopefully this little video helps you understand how we're teaching it and how you can best help them. If you have any questions, please email me. I'm here for you. We can do this together. Hang in there, everybody. Bye.